We are confident that our ancestors are just smiling down on us, filled with pride and joy as they see us ready and braced for the journey towards repositioning our dear Warri Kingdom within the prevailing reality of today's Nigeria and the world at large. It is our prayer that in the end we will be true, worthy inheritors of their great sacrifice and faith in a strong, progressive, united Warri Kingdom. We must express our profound gratitude to the proud Ishekiri sons and daughters who stood up to be counted when it appeared that the foundation of our collective patrimony was under threat. While it is not expedient to mention them on this occasion, Chief Johnson, Chief Gabriel, Chief Brown, Chief Roland, Chief Phoebe, Chief Edward, Chief Robinson Ario, and Chief Eugene Bikoni need to be specially recognized. Interestingly, just before this precious curious moment in time, which has brought us to where we are today, that age-long tendency that has always sought to distort and abort our greatness wanted to rear its ugly head in an attempt to truncate our glory and restoration to our original God-given identity. Our kingdom has experienced an unfortunate interregnum in our history